2024, NovoGlass was applied to the exterior facade of the Xiaomi flagship store in Yibin, China. Thriving on the advanced technology, NEXNOVO created a 340 square meter curved glass facade that was regarded as a model. It also marks a successful milestone for NEXNOVO, our first large arc-shaped NovoGlass. Today, let me show how NEXNOVO uses high technology to bring this advanced facade to reality. And 1. Integration of irregular curved surface with building facade to match the round shape of the building. NEXNOVO customized 56 different types of NovoGlass panels, fitting them perfectly into the structure. The corner area is equipped with arc IGU glass, which realizes a smooth transition between the architectural outline and the display screen. Each curved panel is about 1.5 meter in radius, 1.5 meter wide, 4 meter tall, and covers around 6 square meters. It achieves a balance between structural safety, visual transparency, and a smooth curved appearance. It fully demonstrates NEXNOVO technical strength in the field of curved facade. And 2. Precise integration between curved LED screen and curved glass. The processing equipment for curved glass and curved LED matrix belongs to entirely different technologies. Performing temperatures of glass reach up 800 degrees, while LED lamps processing requires only 260 degrees. Two distinct processing environments tend to lead to dimensional errors, even severe misalignment of the display surface. NEXNOVO overcome various technical challenges and precisely integrated the curved LED screen with the curved glass to achieve a perfect display effect and installation accuracy. And 3. Integration of display and functions of ventilation and fire protection windows. The facade usually need ventilation and fire-secure windows. The challenge was how to keep viewing effect completely without affecting the functions of windows. NEXNOVO developed a special NovoGlass for fire safety panelable windows. It ensures full functions and coherent display to realize the unity of practical functions and visual aesthetics. By integrating material innovation with manufacturing process, NEXNOVO brings dynamic visuals to buildings and further expands the possibility of the NovoGlass facade. Looking for creative, transparent display solutions, feel free to reach out to us.